mint. That right there is mint.
You know I'm rolling diamonds on my wrist, like an Arabian, million dollar grid, like Arabian, $1,000 hit, sipping Arabian, get it how you live, like an Arabian, I come up in the bed, like I'm Arabian, you got a trend, gonna stay with me, money 50
Back with the foolery, you hear me? Right now, I'm leaving the track right now. I'm gonna be on the way to the I guess Advanced Auto Parts is where I'm gonna go to. Thinking Auto Zone. Last time y'all saw me, I did not have a haircut like this. You know what I'm saying? I had the little stuff going on, the big McSmiggities. You feel me? But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to Auto Zone. Bit of a short intro, bro. But you know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do. You feel me? I'll put that mug in drive. Forgot to ask. How are y'all doing, man? I have not talked to y'all in a minute, man. I see y'all like the last video I did on my car, the little POV drive in my car, you feel me? The little loud Yoda with the muffler delete and all the stuff going on, the big scribbities, you feel me? How y'all doing, man? I'm doing pretty good. Y'all see I changed. I got a beard now. Whoa. big man status. Got the S10 right there. S10 only for the men, you feel me? But anyways, man, let's go ahead and hop in here and see what they got. And see what the damages is to the old Walito, you feel me? Boom. Just like that. Walked in there, got everything right. Y'all see the wing on the Yoda. Y'all see everything going on. Don't worry about the mess that's all over this car, man. I'm gonna have to go take it out and get it washed. Come on now. Oh, I don't want to open. Oh, there you go. The car almost gave out on me right there, man. About 3 items, man, and spent $36, man. Hey, if y'all trying to mod y'all cars out, man, y'all gotta spend the big bucks, you feel me? The buckaroos, the McScribbities, you feel me? I guess that's that. I might spray off the car. Nah, it's a white car. It's gonna get dirty anyways. And plus, the birds keep crapping on my car. So if you see bird crap all over my car, you're gonna... Nah, I'm gonna have to spray it off. I can't live with it. So I guess I'll see y'all at the car wash. That is as a disclaimer before y'all people even try to get on here and talk to me about this. My whole intention with this car is I want it to be as ricey as it can. You know what I'm saying? That was my whole idea when I got this car. That's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, my build car is gonna be a G35. That's the car I wanna have. That's the car that I want to be my tuned, you know, everything car. This car right here, the way I'm building it, the stuff that I do to it, this is the car that I basically just try stuff out on. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm not gonna like touch the engine. That's one thing I'm not gonna do on this car is touch the engine. I might put like an intake and stuff in there, but I'm not gonna touch the engine, you know what I'm saying? So before y'all even get in here and be like, oh my God, the hood school looks right. See, that's the whole point. I'm just gonna be like, thank you. I'm just gonna look at you and I'm gonna say thank you. Feel me? Because that's just the way it is. That was my whole point with the car. Point blank period. So yeah, just before you even comment, before you even get down there, that was my whole idea with the car. So don't even waste your time. But anyway, let's pop that hood and let's get that engine cover out. So I now have my camera on the tripod, but the tripod is kind of sort of broke. So if the camera falls and all of a sudden, you know what I'm saying, the camera falls, breaks, and the video ends, y'all know what happened. So you know what I'm saying. But let's get that engine cover off. Alright, boom. So let's do this. I got some good old sandpaper. And I got me some plastic dip. And I didn't end up washing my car because look like it's gonna rain. Honestly, y'all know how Kentucky weather is. If y'all live around the Kentucky area, y'all know how our weather gets. Just out of nowhere, boom, you know, storms. It was like 65 degrees. Now it's like almost like 60. It was 65 degrees and sunny. Now it's like 60 and cloudy and it looks like it's gonna rain. So I was like, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna waste my money on no car wash. And then it rain and me just be hot. I already know people going, oh, look at the oh man, that's so nice. Guess what? I like it. I put it on there. That's kind of my motto with this car. I like it. I put it on there. So yeah. I don't know if it's just me being paranoid because I don't like the woods, but I swear I keep hearing the noise in there. So I'm gonna grab something real quick just so I make sure that you know what I'm saying, everything's good. Good old machete, you feel me? Machete, yes sir, yeah. We're gonna set that right there and get back to business. Alright, let's see where the extremities is. Come on, here we go, all the extremities. Whoo, that's heat. Now come to think about it, that's probably gonna be extremely hot. Taking that off. Didn't think about that. It's gonna be really hot, so, but if I do recall, you just simply, yeah. What's that? Holy crap, that mug is hot. That mug is extremely hot for no reason. I guess we just gonna sit it down right there. And while we at it, we might as well go ahead and do this. So this should be just a button. Yep. that's it. I don't know if I should leave that exposed like that. Definitely not with anything metal hidden towards it. So we're gonna put you like over here. Make sure you out the way. We're gonna close the hood to make sure all that ain't exposed. It's only gonna be for a minute. It's only gonna be for a minute. Set you on top of you. That's what's gonna be getting spray painted. Mix spray painted, and also buy the little window tint thing. I'm probably gonna end up cutting up a trash bag and putting it, all up in there so that it goes out, and then taping it. And getting that looking all black so it looks rossy. And we're looking mint. Got the engine bay all closed up and sugared up. Now, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna have to probably cut up a box. Put a box down right there. And then have it out right there. That's what I'm gonna do right there. We ain't got no garage or nothing to be protected from the weather. I did tell myself I ain't gonna touch this engine, man. I said I'm not gonna touch this engine. But I might have to go back on my word. Just imagine like a Turbski sitting right there. They're right there. The big turbo looking nice and mint. I might have to do that. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. And because I'm extra safe and extra paranoid, I'm going to grab El Machete. I'm going to grab El San Epa and Mr. VHT, which cost me a dime and a penny. Let's get to work. Alright, so now this is the part of if it falls. This is just the end of the video, just my end. I ain't gonna lie. So, first things first. This is pretty much just spray painted, I guess. This box is not gonna be able to. I might be able to. It might. It's gonna save some of it. Yeah, say some of this 3M tape. 3M tape. This little sandpaper stuff. And get the sanding. Because, isn't that pretty cool? They tear. Or not. Yeah, they tear. You see that? I could have got in here with a knife and a spoon and did the same McSmiggles. Without further ado, flop the can. Ooh. And here goes spray number 1. Try not to spray the camera myself. And we'll do this pretty good. How about that? Oh, that's a pretty cool blue. And yes, this is high temperature. For all the people that's gonna be like, oh my goodness. And I guess that's coat number 1. Y'all see it's hold on. Mike, what are you doing down there? Yep, that's coat number 1. Y'all see it's all purty. All nice and purty and sturdy. Y'all see that? The nice mix with a big public and blue. I'm gonna do 10 minutes. It's on me. I don't wanna rub it. I'm in the grass. That's coat number 1. I guess you just let it sit for 10 minutes. And yeah, come back for coat number 2. 10 more minutes. Coat number 3. And you should be done. But do the same thing with the other one. Oh, I forgot to say. I guess while that one is drying, we'll just work on this one too. Why not? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Feel me? We'll do the same thing. I can't be bothered. That lasted how long? Like 2? Yeah, that's a good time. That's accurate time, isn't it? Yeah, 2. Paint coat number 1, I guess. Just leave my paint can out there. If somebody comes over and takes my paint can, I mean, bruh. It got a little chilly out here. Alright, so coat 1 definitely could have went better. but we'll clean it up with coat 2. Let's see, I don't have a timer, but how long did it go did we do that one? You know what? Why not? Let's just do coat 2 on this one too. Coat number 2. Put my country voice on, and let's just do it. All right, so coat 2. Paint bottle hit the thing. All right. Now we're gonna look for 0 more minutes for them to dry up, and then we'll do coat 3. Yeah, it looks mighty blue. Them, see, now I look at it, them like grass on the side, that might cause a problem. It might cause a problem. Screw it. So, 10 minutes. Grab the machete. And all that good stuff. Well, that's going inside, and that's definitely going inside. I'm not done with you, big butt. Not done with you. Yep, you. But you can stay outside. And, yeah. Alright. I think it's been about 10 minutes. I won't say. About 10. Now. You know, that don't look half bad. Looks better than I thought it was gonna look. You know what I'm saying? Looks way better than I thought it was gonna look. We gonna get her done again. Well, let's go on the ground with the thing on. It's not that sharp. You gotta look up the techniques, bro. You gotta go long streaking motions. Alright, so this is number alright, so this is cover number 3. What the heck is it called? Crap! I can't remember what it's called. Coat 3. This is coat 3. Alright, so I've come to a Would you shut up? I've come to a conclusion that I'm impatient. I don't feel like waiting. So, what is that on my... Hey! Well, now I gotta wait, because I gotta get that off, don't I? Crap! Okay, so this thing says that another bug just flew on there. Are you attracted to the blue? Apply all the coats within the hour, right? Additional coats for 2 hours, right? And it dries to the touch in 20 minutes. Still, I don't have to do the 10-minute thing, right? That's what I would say. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I've got an idea on how to clean this up. I'm gonna just spray paint it green, yeah, so it looks like everything. No, I'm playing. It should wash up. Hopefully. Yeah. If it gets too bad, I'll just park my car over here, yeah, and just drive it through mud all the time. So I've got a glove. Oh my god. Picked up a glove that has a hole in it. Anyways, I don't care. I'm gonna move this underneath the truck. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Very docile hold of it. Look at me using big words when I don't want to mess something up, right? Oh, Jesus. Boy, one for you. Basically, I'm just moving him over there. I did it. You just come and take a walk with me. There's some spots on the thing over here. Got a little bit of it left. Simply spray it. Just like that. Right. And those are underneath the truck. So that if it does rain, Yeah. The rain won't completely ruin it. Looks like it's gonna rain. Well, just to be honest with you, and that just broke. If I was gonna be honest with you, that looks like rain to me. You know, this is just me. Yep, as I knew it. Starting to rain, but it's starting to rain, but guess what? Guess what I got? Everything underneath the sun. And that's why I ain't washed the car. Look, she's already shining. She's already shining. Let's see what the product is looking like. It's in 25 minutes. It's been a good while, so we'll see if she's done. That's the end result, but looks pretty cool. Let's get it out the rain and put her inside the engine bay. Get them all hooked back up. Get this part on first because this covers the electrics. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do first. Part 1 installed. Let's get the other one. I'm quite excited to see the end product. Mint. That right there is mint. So, yeah, that's pretty much how, you know, you paint that. And that's how you paint that. And you get your car to look like that from the inside. Now we just got to get that painted. And all the other stuff and accessories blue. It's raining, so I'm gonna get up out the rain and finish this up. But that's pretty mint, my guy. That is pretty mint. Yes, sir.
Like I'm Arabian.